Are you an HVAC engineer? Are you an HVAC consultant? Have lots of projects on design and lots of time is going in this manual calculation or using the Excel sheet calculations. It is hampering your business growth or it is hampering your performance. The best solution is to learn, or I can say upskill yourself in HAP. Career HAP, also known as Hourly Analysis Program, is a wonderful software by which you can reduce a lot of time in doing these design calculations. And the biggest advantage of this is, the accuracy you get in this overall design calculation is awesome. So who all can do this particular HAP software training? You should know the manual calculations of heat load calculations. If you know that, then you can do this particular program. It's a 5-week program. I'll be giving you more details on that. The faculty is Mr. Amit, who is having more than 15 years of experience in the HVAC industry. He has worked in Gulf for more than 10 years. He has worked on projects, very large projects. Which type of projects? Schools, colleges, universities, clean rooms, commercial buildings, large commercial spaces. And he has done all this design work in using the HAP software. So what is that you're going to learn in this HAP software? We will give you from the basic to the advanced level. You will become an expert within this 5 weeks. The start will happen by introducing you to how you have to install the overall HAP software. So what are the things covered in this? As you can see on the screen, basic introduction of HAP. Then we will go for basic software settings. Basic software settings, that means before starting a project, what are the settings you need to do? Those settings are taught to you. Once that settings are done, you will be knowing or you will be learning how to create spaces. Before creating spaces, we will learn how to create library and what are the things which are required for executing the present project. Once you have done creating the library, creating the spaces, and also you will be doing the zoning while you are creating the spaces. So once you have created the library spaces, you are going to create a system. And once you have done created a system, you do all the calculations part, then you generate a report. That report will help you to do the HVAC equipment selection very easily. In this module, we are also going to teach you how to do the clean room design using HAP software. So you will be able to do 2 live projects, or I can say 2 projects. One is domestic, the other one would be UAE. What I mean by domestic and UAE, I am saying by using different standards. What are you waiting for? Upskill yourself, grow in your career just by one click. There is a link in the description. Click on that, register for the program and upskill yourself. Welcome.